guys, I am Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can process a refund that you have made to your client or customer. So when I go to sales section and look at my clients, I was due a refund to Happy Limited. To process a refund, I can click on options and record refund straight away from client's account, or if you go to dashboard, you have an option to add a new client refund. I will go through client's card, options, record refund. Date when I refunded was to date after reviewing my statement. Payment method, I was transferring out from business account, and in my case I have two accounts and I select that I paid back from my personal account. Refund amount £35, and also system was showing before I entered how much I owed, and it was 35, so let's add 35. Reference, if you know an invoice number which been overpaid, let's say invoice 008, and save a refund. Okay, so when we look on our account, this balance have cleared out. So this is a way how you can record a refund on client's account. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared my complete crunch tutorial, so I have shared the link in the description section below to this tutorial where I go through full process of setting up myself on Crunch account until the last step of preparing my self-assessment return or report.